This is very cool. Put a picture in the background and use quick plot and fit equation to model quickly. Watch. Here we have a photo, and I'd like to model one of the yellow ropes with a linear equation. What I'll do is drop 2 points on the figure and, well, just watch. So I'm going to go to Stat, Calculate, and it's the last thing on there, which is quick plot and fit equation. And you're pretty well prompted here. So it says drop points. So I'm just going to move this black cursor someplace along, and I'll do the yellow, this yellow one, the bottom yellow rope. I'll press enter. That's 1 point that's dropped. And I'll find another one. Drop right there. Okay. Now notice at the lower right hand corner it says fit equation. So that would be this last button here. I'll press the graph button, and it says, what would you like to fit it with? So I'm going to go with number 2, linear regression, slope-intercept form. And there it is. It says, do I want to, and there's the regression equation, y equals whatever. And do I want to store it? Sure, I'd like to store it. L1, L2 is where the ordered pairs will be. Plot 1 will be it. I'm fine with all of that, so there it is. So let's look at that. Let me go back to y equals. It is stored there in y equals. Let me go to the lists. And in L1 and L2 are the x and y coordinates of those 2 points that I dropped. And back to the graph. You know, that was so quick. Let's try a second one. So I'm going to go back to second format. And the background, right now I'm using image 2. Image 1, that's the one I want. I want that little bridge there. But just here are the couple that do come with it. But you can bring in your own photos. So I'm going to go ahead and put that image right there. And I'm again going to go back to Stat, Calculate, and quick plot and fit equation. Now for a parabola I need at least 3 points, remember. So I'll go over here and maybe take that point right there. Another point. And a third. And it's not a perfect parabola, but it should be pretty close. So fit equation, hit the graph button, and I'm going to go with a quadratic regression, which is number 3. And it looks pretty doggone good, and then I'll go ahead and store that. And again, if I wanted to change it to list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, but I'm okay with that. Again, I'll go back to y equals. There's the equation. Go back to Stat, Edit, and see L1 and L2 have those 3 ordered pairs. It has a lot of possibilities.